Welcome to Bias. In this video we are going to learn how to earn $2 every minute just by typing words. Do you spend a lot of time typing on your computer or phone? Earn $2 every 60 seconds by typing out words. Make extra money by typing words on a website. Get paid by PayPal. What are online typing jobs? The term is quite self-explanatory. However, let us understand it simply and in a better way. Basically, it is clerical work. The job involves typing for various agencies. It can be typing for documents, ebooks, contents, etc. In an online typing job, you should input some given data in a provided software or a Word document. Why should you prefer online typing jobs? Online typing jobs have emerged as a feasible source of income. Earning from the comfort of your home with minimal or almost no investment is a great opportunity. How to earn money online by typing. The primary and the very first step to earn by typing is to search and identify the best typing job opportunities out there. For this, there are a variety of portals available where you can search for typing jobs online and apply easily. We will mention and discuss those portals later in this video. It is important for you to find the right opportunity for yourself to earn money by typing. After visiting a job portal, you must register yourself. After your registration, you can easily sort and filter the typing jobs at your wish and need. Aberdeen? Aberdeen is a well-known online earning platform that offers numerous transcription jobs. It is specifically active in allotting positions where you get paid for typing subtitles for closed caption TV. You get a higher earning here, but it follows some strict requirements based on your types of equipment and typing speed. TVBabelType. Among the most reputed companies, there stands TVBabelType. It provides a number of work-from-home transcription jobs at considerable rates. You can even join without any experience. Clickworker. Clickworker offers plenty of typing opportunities on its platform. You get the option to select your desired typing job from a list of hundreds. The offered job positions are data entry, research and inscribing, editing and formatting text, etc. A flexible working pattern is provided which helps in increasing your performance score. Daily transcription. You get a wide range of ways to make money by typing online on daily transcription. Here you have to work on subtitles and audio file transcriptions in various languages. It includes English and 30 more languages such as French, German, Spanish, etc. Microworkers. Microworkers are most preferable for those individuals who are looking for small-scale jobs. You are assigned short tasks of about a couple of minutes for which you get well paid. The tasks majorly consist of audio and video transcriptions, data entry, handwriting on letters and postcards, and more. OneSpace. OneSpace is also a professing online earning platform that pays you for typing audio. People who are efficient in a second language like Malay, Portuguese, Thai, and Korean are mostly preferred. It includes simple transcription jobs along with data entry, writing, and editing. They offer you various vacancies anticipating your future capabilities. Casting words. Similar to the other platforms, Casting Words also pays you for typing what you hear. But what makes it out of the box is it allows you to work with them as long as you live in a country where PayPal payments are available. In some cases, a transcription test is taken before proceeding. Cutron Global. Cutron is a Canada-based team of typists who work on editing and real-time transcriptions. You have to go through a typing test that checks your ability to work with them. You need to have a minimum typing speed of 60 words per minute for qualifying the test. Once it is cleared, you are ready to earn. Cyberdictate. Cyberdictate is popularized among those who desire to gain specialization in the field of typing for money. Only legal transcription positions are offered in the course of work. They are quite strict concerning their requirements. You must possess an experience of at least 3 years in a law firm over the past 5 to 7 years. Transcribum. Transcribum is one of the huge names among transcription websites. Here you get paid to type what you hear. Through studies, it has been found that Transcribum offers the best rates in the industry. Jobs are extremely short and you can work from any country which has access to PayPal payments. You can additionally look for more online typing jobs and opportunities on popular job sites like Naukri, Freelancer, Fiverr, Indeed, and People Per Hour.